Hi everyone, this is Gio of the Information Girls, and today we're going to talk about YouTube Analytics Basics. And today I'm going to talk about uh, the overview part and the reach part, and then I will come back in another video to show you the engagement, audience, and the revenue. Okay? All right. Plus, as usual, I will always have the link in the description box so that you can read this for yourself. So let's get started. Within YouTube Analytics, you'll see different tabs that help you understand your data. So now we're going to go over the overview. Now, the overview is when you first log into your YouTube back office and then you click on Analytics. You're going to see the overview. The overview tab shows you a summary of how your channel and videos are performing. The key metrics card shows your views, watch time, subscribers, and estimated revenue if you're in the YouTube Partner Program. In this tab, you'll also see reports for typical performance. That means a comparison to your latest video to your channel's typical performance. Top videos, your recent videos ranked by views. Real time, your performance over the last 48 hours or 60 minutes. Latest video, your performance from your 10 latest videos. Stories, your performance over the last 7 days from your latest stories. At the video level, you'll see key moments for audience retention and real time report. Now we're moving on to reach. All right. The reach tab gives you a summary of how your audience is discovering your channel. The key metrics card shows your impressions click-through rate, views, and unique viewers. In this tab, you'll also see reports for traffic source types, how viewers find your content. External, traffic from websites and apps that embed or link to your videos from your channel. Suggested videos, traffic from suggestions that appear next to or after other videos and from links in video descriptions. These videos could be your own videos or someone else's. Impressions and how they lead to watch time. How many times your video thumbnail was shown to viewers on YouTube? Impressions. How frequently those thumbnails result in a view. Click-through rate. And how those views ultimately led to watch time. Playlists, traffic from the most watched playlists that include your videos. YouTube search, traffic from search terms that brought viewers to your content. So these are the two tabs that I am doing today in this video. So you can go back to your YouTube studio, click on analytics, and the first page you're going to see is the overview. And then I did the reach tab. So these are all the things here that you can find under the reach tab. This is Geo of the Information Girls. No rumors, just the facts. If you have not joined the Information Girls, please do so today.
Information girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag. Got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you give up now. strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat. Don't need no flag. Got a lot of things to keep intact. So pop that channel and show some love.